Yeah, Avinash and Sandeep, just now what we have discussed is small change. No? The recurring part of the non-terminating recurring decimal is called the period. Okay, before paste, there is a recurring part is period. No? Here, please check. The recurring part is called period. Please write down. Always we get confusion here. Recurring part is period. Okay, now Sandeep, recurring part is called period and number of digits called periodicity. The number of digits is called periodicity. This is periodicity.
Okay, sir.
Now, here period, recurring part. Recurring part is what? 26. This is the period and periodicity. Number of digits, 3. Okay, please change it, both of you. Check once. Period is recurring.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no? So the recurring part of the non-terminating recurring decimal is called period. Okay. Now 7 by 22 have you divided? 7 by 22 have you divided? 0.318181818. Okay, now 18 is repeating, no? No, 0.318 bar. So period means what I said. Period means the recurring. What is the recurring here? What is the recurring? 182. 180 is the answer. 180 is the answer. Same like 14th question. And 17th question, have you got answer?
The value of P.
First 0.6 P by Q form you should write. 0.6 by 10. Cancellation 3 by 5. P value is 3, Q value is 5. 3 plus 5 how much? 8.
8.
That's all. Please check now 17th.
Yes, sir.
One of the following identify the different from others. Please do all the decimal divisions and tell me the answers here. One is repeating and remaining all not repeating. This here. Okay, now repeating, non-repeating. Only one is different from others. So you should do the divisions. See, so easy. Your denominator 3, denominator 3, denominator 11. Only here 5. This is the difference. This all will repeat. This will repeat. This will repeat. And this is also repeat. No need to do division now. Denominator 2, 5 there, no. It is not repeat. Understand? Denominator 2 and 5 there, not repeat. I will explain you on the board. Please check. The denominator should have 2, 5 or 2, 5. It is not repeat. Not repeat.
Okay, sir.
Not repeat means what is the meaning? Terminating. This is called terminating. Then the denominator other than 2 and 5. Other than 2, 5. That means except 2, 5, any number can be 3, 4, 3, 7, 11, anything. That is repeat. Repeat. Non-terminating. Non-terminating. Like this. Okay, one more example I will show you. Just check it out. So here I will take 2 by 5, 3 by 7, 3 by 2. Here 5 is there, 2 is there. I said this is not repeat, no?
Yes, sir.
Not repeat, not repeat. Not repeat means what I said, terminating. This is terminating. This is also terminating. And this is not terminating. I will divide. What is happened? See, let us see. See, I got 0, no? 0.4. Same, I will divide this. What is going to happen? Let us see. Lastly, 3 came here, see? 3 came, no?
Okay.
That means 0.428571 is repeating. 0.428571 is repeating. Why? Because of the denominator. Only because of the denominator. Okay, now? Now 3 by 2, I will check. 3 by 2. Remainder 0 got because of denominator. So you must remember this point. This is the technique what we apply here. By seeing the denominator, we can say it is a terminating or non-terminating repeating decimal. Okay, now?
Okay, sir.
Next person will go. Yeah. Check 20, 21, 22, Nana. 20, 21, 22, please. 20, 21, 22, I want.
$20 some B, sir.
20 seconds. Into the following terminating. Denominator factorization you should do. Just now explain. No? Avinash. Denominators check. Denominator 2 and 5 only should have.
Okay, sir.
Sandeep have done something. 20th B. Okay, Sandeep. 1.05 is correct. 20th B is correct, no?
Okay.
21, 22. 21, 22. Just now I gave explanation, no? Terminating, non-terminating. Please focus on only the denominator. Don't do divisions. Are you doing divisions, Avinash?
Yes.
No, don't do division. 21, I will tell you. 22, you try, no. Wait, okay. 1 minute, wait. I will explain on the board. Both of you wait. I'm explaining. So like this, we have to check the denominator. 21, I'm writing on the board. The questions are 9 by 32, 11 by 40. Don't do divisions, okay? Or otherwise, our shortcut becomes waste. 29 by 128. The denominators I will mark. Please check the denominator 32, 40. So now we will factorize the denominator. Factorize 32 factorization I will do. So what I got here? 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, now? Avinash, listening?
Yes, sir.
Now 40, I will do the factorization. And 11 by 40 will become 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Now 1001 I will take. 1001 which table goes, Nana? Just check it out. 1001. 7 table I will take. Okay, no? 7 ones are 7, 3, 4 sevens are 28, 2, 3 sevens, 142. Again, 11 table goes, yeah, 11 table, 11 ones, 11 threes. 7 into 11 into 13. Okay, so what is the denominator I got here? 17 by 7 into 11 into 13. Now 128 I will do. 2 table, 64, 32, 16, 4, 2. So you will get all twos only. How many? 7 twos. 2 into 2 into 2, 7 times. Okay, now you please check the denominators, both of you. Here denominators 2's are there. 2 and 5 are there. All 2's are there. Now here what is the denominator? Third question. Avinash, Sandeep. Third question.
7, 7.
So third question is called non-terminating. Non-terminating. And this is terminating. This is terminating. And this is terminating. Okay, now understand now?
Yes, sir.
Take the screenshot and do the 22nd question I'm opening now. Please take the screenshot, both of you. Okay, Sandeep. Got it? I will open. At least shake your head, Sandeep. 22nd I will open. Yeah, please check 22nd, Nano. Factorize the denominators. I'm erasing this all work. This question is called multiple answer type. Multiple answer type means first one, second one, all. A, B, D. Okay?
Okay.
Like that. Generally, we can give question. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. No? Option A, 1, 2, 3. Option B, 1, 2. Like that we can give. Option C, 1, 2, 4. Like that also we can give. Make it fast. Your denominator, you will get 5 into 5 into 5. Your denominator, 3 into 3 into 2 into 5. Your denominator, 2 into 2 into 100, no? 25 fours. Again, 2 into 2, 5 into 5. Your denominator, 2 into 3 into 2 into 5. Yes, please check Avinash and Sandeep. First one, okay. And third one, okay. Second one, no, because what is there here?
3.
And here also what is there?
3.
That's what. Okay, now only first and third. Understand?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Please take the screenshot and next page also I'm opening. Please take it the screenshots and try to do the homework. Nana, tomorrow we start the new chapter. Number of questions we have done still. This chapter, please take the screenshot here. Please try it. Okay. Please take the screenshot.
Okay, sir.
And next page also I will open. This also please check, Nano. As the following, so simple. As many sums as you can. Okay, no?
Okay.
Next, last section.
So next page.
This is only last. This is one. 3 pages I show. 40, 41, 42. 3 pages. Okay. Right. Yeah, right, children. And I conclude the class. Tomorrow we start another chapter. Okay, ma? Within 5 minutes, we have another class.